Hello kids, yes, this is Shipra again with my new DIY activity. And we all know we start our class with this beautiful line, let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. And yes, you all know, yes, you know that Lodi is approaching. Yes, Lodi is a festival. It's a harvest festival of Punjab. And we are going to make this pop-up Lodi card. Okay, we are going to make this pop-up Lodi card, which is quite easy. It's not difficult. Let me just tell you what all things do we need. We will be requiring two black color sheets. Basically, I need one, but I need just a small piece of black color sheet more. So you can just take any cutout if you have got, you can use that also. So I'm just saying two black color sheets, A4 size. The black ones are thick ones. Then I need different shades of orange, two different shades of orange. One red, this is red. This is orange, this is little dark orange and yellow. So A4 size or half of A4 size is good with me. And we are going to make this card. We need broomsticks. So this is the broomstick, the wooden broomstick, then Fevicol, definitely glue, scissor, glue, pencil, sketch pen, and any color of your sheet, any white color, any other color is good with me to make write Happy Lodi. So you can take any color. You can take a bright red, you can take a yellow also, you can take a white also, and definitely we will be requiring sketch pens. Okay. So we are going to start our pop-up card from here. And for this, you can use any sheet. So sketch pens, as I told you, and a white color sheet, which we can cut any ways, or any other color which you want, you can use that. So let's start with our card. First of all, what we have to do, we just have to fold our card. That is the black color sheet. It's a thick black color sheet, kids. Just fold it nicely. And basically a card is formed. Okay. Now the part is the decoration of this part. What we are going to do, as you can see, we have different shades of red, orange and yellow. So we will be taking our colors together, placing it red at the back, then the dark orange, then the light orange, then the dark orange, and then the yellow. Okay, we'll just fold it and we'll cut it. So it's orange, red, little darker than red, then this, and then the yellow. We will be just requiring this half of this, okay? And we will cut it together. So I will be using my scale to cut it. You can even take a paper cutter. You can just be careful when you are using a paper cutter, or you can take a scissor and simply cut it like this. This extra part we have kept separately, and now we will be drawing these flames. So for the flames, what you have to do, you just have to draw the yellow flame a little small, okay? Okay. Then this orange a little bigger than this. So what we will do, we'll first cut this. You can give a shape. This will be smaller. others will be, the next orange will be a little bigger than this. Then same way we will be increasing the size of the flames. Just place it over here again and just draw a little bigger than this. And you don't have to go exactly the same pattern. Just take a little bit of the same pattern and give a big zigzag line somewhere, so that, because we know the flames go here and there. Perfect. Now we'll cut this also. Okay. So this is this way. Fine. We are not erasing these lines because these lines are going to give nice look to our flame. Now the little darker orange. Just place both of them together again like this on this and draw it. Same way, again we'll cut it. So you just have to see that your size increases as you move forward with more colors, the more darker shades. Now this is the red one we are taking. So you can see, you can see. Now place it again. Now we are going to take this one as a little bigger one. The red one. Okay. We are not going to rub these black lines. For this, black lines are going to show nice effect, give a nice effect on our flames also. Okay. Start sticking it. Perfect. Stick it. So we'll apply glue on the smaller parts. Just a second, okay. Just apply glue nicely, taking care that too much glue is not there, and stick it. Stick it on this. So this is our one flame. Now take this one, place it again like this. and apply glue again. Stick it. Same way, the fourth one. Just see that even your tips are sticked properly. If the tips are coming out, you can take glue and you can apply glue on these tips also. Perfect. Leave it for resting for some time. Now on the other side, what you have to do, you just have to place your flames like this. Okay, and look for the center point. Yes. Kids, be careful, let it rest. There should be no glue because the moment it will come back, it might stick to the sheet. So take care that you don't do that way. Okay, and take your leftover sheets. Your leftover, two any shades you can take. So I am taking this one and I am taking this one. And we will stick on one over the other. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm reducing it from here a little bit. Just keep it like this and cut a straight line. Perfect. So taking care that the light shade goes deep inside and the dark shade is on the top. Yes. Fine. But again, we are cutting it from here also. We are not taking it till this down portion. Here also. Perfect. Place it. And yes. So what you can do, apply glue on this portion. And stick it. Same way, we can give a little zigzag cutting like this also if you want to give a change. We'll stick it. Basically, we have utilized that leftover sheet only to decorate our front portion, because basically we are making this pop-up card so that our inside part is more important, but we need to beautify this also. So we have taken this. Perfect. Take care that you stick the tips also nicely. Now, by this time, this is completely done. Now, open this, place it in the center. And this is your center point. Just mark a small center point here. Now you can fold it from here. Exactly from this center. Just fold it. You can see it is something like this. Okay. We will be putting a small sheet of black color to this. We will be sticking a very thin black color sheet to it. As I told you, we require a very thin strip. So I am cutting this thin strip. Okay, let it rest for some time. Till the time it is resting, what we are going to do, we are going to prepare our Happy Lodi tag. You can write Happy Lodi, or you can make it as an invite. You can say, let's celebrate Lodi. Whatever wishes you want to write, you can write. I am writing Happy Lodi. Okay. Just write any ways. You can write running handwriting. You can write let's celebrate Lodi. Anything which comes to your mind, you can write that. Or Lodi time. Because that's your creation. You can do whatever way you want to decorate it. Any colors. And I am doing the outline of this. Just write, decorate it however you want to decorate it. Okay, and we'll cut it. We'll cut it, placing it on this, seeing how much is going within this area. Okay, so I will cut it. You want to cut it in a straight form, you can cut it, or you can just cut it according to the shape of your letters, like I have done in this. Okay, I've written capital letters and I have cut my sheet according to the movement of my alphabets. So that gives again a wavy effect which we are already taking in the flames. Okay, and place it. Fine. Apply glue again. And stick it. So this is ready. Our outside decoration is ready. So now we have taken this strip and we'll just see and we'll cut it according to the size here. Okay, perfectly, exactly of this size. This is our center point. Okay. This is our center point and this needs to go like this inside. So I am again putting it at the center and we are so this will come this way inside. Okay, we cut a small V. Okay, kids, and we'll stick from the behind part. Exactly at the center, we'll cut a very small V. What you can do exactly at the center, you can stick this also. And let it rest for some time. Till that time, what we can do, we'll stick our, okay, done. We'll stick our broomstick. So take care that you stick your broomstick somewhere from down. And if you are applying glue on the sheet, take care that you are not going to close the card till it is completely dried. Otherwise, this pop-up will stick to your glue here. Now I am using my broomsticks to show the bonfire. So this is basically the bonfire. You can add more sticks if you want. And this is done. We will cut this V from here, which is the center point. We place it like this. So when you are going to fold it, this is the center point. Just see that when you are going to fold it, it goes like this. Okay. So now we are going to stick it nicely. Our folding should go like this. So you can even press it a little bit exactly at the center so that the folding comes nicely. And we'll stick. So the moment you will open this will go inside and then it will open. Okay. So apply glue on this. And place it exactly at the center. That line you should always remember should go at the center. Let it rest for some time. Don't stick it. Because this is a black color sheet we have taken, it will not be visible. And the moment you will fold it like this, it will go down. And the moment you will pull it out, it will come out. I am not closing it, this one, because if I will close it, it will stick. As I can show you my pop-up card here. You can see it comes out like this. So when I have closed it, it's like this. When I open it, it comes like this. Okay, I'm not doing it. Just take care. I'm not closing it for the reason that the moment I will close it, this might stick. So this will take another 10 to 15 minutes, kids, and keep it for resting. The moment it will dry completely, your card will come down like this and you can pull it like this. Okay. So I hope this beautiful Lodi card, you have liked it. This is the top and this is the inside part. So I hope you have enjoyed it. Do share your pictures. Do let us know how you have liked it. Do share your videos and pictures. We are looking forward to them. And Shipra is going to come back again. Till then, take care. Happy Lodi. I wish Happy Lodi on behalf of Yellow Class to everybody. And do enjoy this lovely festival, kids. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.